knew he was gonna throw that shit up. It's too much. It's too much. He like, give up, nigga, give up. And worm ain't gonna give up. The worm gonna survive on me. Ooh, they fighting too. That's nice. Look at the fish. The other fish was nipping on them too. They the bullies.
That yellow and black one. He run the tank.
He don't eat the other fish.
He been killing one by one. The little ones first.
That's why all these fish on one side and he over there. Why you do that?
So if you're African cichlid, then that's what he do. He got teeth on his lip. He knocked out a patch over on his lip.
He knock out a what?
Take patches off the fish when he lips off.
Well, he gonna kill all the fish.
And he get bigger, not now.
He get bigger.
Get about 10 inches long.
What?
Why you put a predator in a tank with some fish that's like just cool fish?
Because he won't action.
He want action.
Mm-hmm.
Man, he tripping. All your fish gonna be dead. They all running for their life and they don't have nowhere to go. That's fucked up. Who will be the last one to survive? The fish or the frog?
Got big teeth in there, the frog, dragonfish, the elephant nose, the blue and black one.
Do an elephant nose fish got tough scales like elephant?
No, they just live together now. That little yellow fish can take out an eye.
He mean as hell. And all these other fish, they just staying at the top because he down there at the bottom right now. But he not fucking with these little clear looking fish. He not messing with them.
He ain't gonna be able to eat you, little daddy. That one still alive, nigga.
Why is they the only ones that stay on top?
Because they're the ones that stay at the top. We got.
Look, he finna come where they
Them two are cichlids too.
They what?
Cichlids.
What that mean? They sick?
Nah, that's the name. They're aggressive fish.
Oh, cause they keep fucking with him, but he don't.
He got him. He got him from up out of the goddamn rocks.
They eat meat too.
Mm-hmm. They eat meat too. Cool. But they don't eat. They fin niggas.
Gone.
They bite pretty thin.
He still eating a worm. He ate him.
He still got him in his mouth.
Coming out of his mouth.
Yo.
The worm still moving.